How to conduct a training needs analysis, TNA, step-by-step guide. Welcome back. Stop guessing what your employees need to learn. Most corporate training fails because it solves the wrong problem. In this video, we break down the training needs analysis, TNA, process for 2026, a data-driven approach to identify skill gaps, align training with business goals, and ensure every dollar of your L&D budget delivers a real return on investment, ROI. We've all been there. A manager says, "My team is slow, they need time management training." You spend $5,000 on a workshop, and 3 weeks later, nothing has changed. Why? Because the problem wasn't their time management asterisk. It was their software. Training needs analysis, TNA, is the difference between throwing spaghetti at the wall and clinical precision. Today, I'm going to show you how to diagnose the performance gap before you spend a single cent on a trainer. Section 1. What is a TNA? The three levels. TNA is the process of identifying the gap between actual performance and desired performance. To do it right, you have to look at three levels. 1. Organizational level. Where does the company want to be in 2026? If the goal is AI integration, your training should focus there. 2. Operational level. What skills are required for specific jobs? What does a master salesperson do that a junior salesperson doesn't? 3. Individual level. Who specifically needs the help? Because sending a pro to a beginner class is a waste of everyone's time. Section 2. A data collection. Stop guessing. Don't just ask managers what they want. Use the TNA toolkit. Surveys and questionnaires, good for scale, but be careful of self-reporting bias. Everyone thinks there are 10 texts. Work samples observation. Watch the work happen. Where do people get stuck? Performance data. Look at the KPIs. If customer satisfaction is down, that's your starting point. Exit interviews. People who leave often tell the truth about what training they wished they had. Section 3. The KSA framework. Once you have the data, categorize the gap using the KSA mode. This is crucial because not every problem is a training problem. K. Knowledge that they don't know what to do. Solution, training. S. Skills, they don't know how to do it. Solution, practice coaching. A. Attitude, they don't want to do it. Solution, this is a management motivation issue, not a training issue. Section 4. Mapping the solution. Now you build the plan. Buy versus build. Do you create the course internally or hire an expert? Delivery method. In 2026, microlearning, short 5-minute bursts, is beating 8-hour marathons. The success metric. Before the training starts, decide how you will measure success. Is it faster tickets, higher sales, or fewer errors? Conclusion and call to action. Remember, training is a solution, not a destination. If you don't do the analysis, you're just a tourist. Conduct the TNA and you'll turn HR from a cost center into a growth engine. I've put my 2026 TNA interview guide in the description below. It's a list of questions to ask managers to find the real problem. What's the most useless training session you've ever had to sit through? Let's wait and learn in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more L&D strategy. See you in the next video.